Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a blessed day. Today we're working on look number 6 using the Jawbreaker palette. Can you believe it? Number 6, and I have plenty more planned. This palette is so amazing. There are endless looks to create with this. So today it was requested by Jennifer to do orange and yellow, and so I come up with this like sunset kind of eye. So as always, you gotta prime your eyelids first and foremost. And we're going to be taking that JeffreeStar Jawbreaker palette, and we're going to be taking Wow, which is a matte yellow. And any yellow in your collection that is matte will definitely work for this look. Or if you wanted to do shimmery shades, you could do that as well. I literally just filmed a sunset eyes using shimmery shades, so definitely check that out. And I am windshield wipering that in the crease. I am just placing color at this point. It is very messy. We're just going to swipe that in the crease almost up. Well, we're bringing it up into the brow bone as well. Now next we're going to be taking Suck, and this is actually a orange coral kind of shade, and boy is it bright. It is so very bright. So I'm going to be like placing that in the crease area as well, but slightly below the yellow and on top of the yellow. And these colors are going to blend together very nicely. They are in the same color family. They are both warm and they're both matte, so there's not a lot of effort with blending them. I just go back and forth between the two shades and blend them in together until they become seamless and they appear like they are one and melted together. So next up we're taking Licorice, which is a matte red, and all the shades are matte today. A matte red, and we're going to stamp that all over our lid. And I'm just going to build the shade up just a bit, and next we're going to start blending those shades. So I just take the brushes that I used the Pacific colors on and go between all those brushes against the color line or shade line where the color was placed, and eventually they will look like they are completely seamless and blended completely together and mesh and make the perfect ombre look, and it is just so pretty. So we're going to be taking Virgin as our brow bone. Big surprise, this is our highlight. This white is so good, I love it. And I'm just going to swipe that on the brow bone with a large eyeshadow shader brush, blend it down into Wow. Then we're placing all of our shades on the lower lash line, all of them except for Suck. That's not going on the lower lash line. We're just doing Licorice and Wow. And of course in the inner corner we're taking Jawbreaker, because why not? This shade is absolutely stunning and beautiful, and it makes for the perfect inner corner highlight. I'm going to be tight lining the upper waterline with the Jordana 12-hour black point pencil and NYX jumbo pencil and milk for the waterline. I love doing white waterline with bright looks. I think it looks so good. We're using the LaColors liquid eyeliner, and I'm creating a wing, and I don't know if you noticed or not, and I don't care to even point it out, but both of my wings are definitely not the same, and I was in a rush and did not fix it. So that's that. Luckily I stayed at the house all day, so I didn't have to worry about anybody in public noticing. So we're using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and I love this mascara. It's such a great mascara. And I'm using the LaColors Holographic Iridescent Lip Gloss, and this is such a pretty lip gloss. It's not sticky, it smells amazing, and it's just a very nice nude lip gloss with some iridescent shimmers. I'm also using the Believe Beauty setting spray for my face, and to make sure that makeup lasts all day, even though we know we are not going anywhere today. So that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Outside of the eyeliner, it's kind of driving me nuts, but still hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, found it helpful. We'll try it out for yourselves. It's such an easy look, and stay tuned for more tutorials using the JeffreeStar Jawbreaker palette, as well as a bunch of other ones. As always, there's a product list in the description box and other links. Thank you guys always for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.